Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hagani ke jing ye nong mi khmat sha yeng dorbar thau ain ke jilla kabangi tip kum ka assembly election 8000 khatpra ki kertong ki balai aireng ki don hadu laispa nre puwe ngut prapo na ki dei ki nong aireng shimet but life lai ngut ki dei ki kintei baro ki don hadu lai hajar arf sautali ki polling station but napdeng jongki sanspa sanpu artali la pandai da ki CCTV camera kat ba ha ke shispa khandai phulai tali ki polling station la la ban paniasno but ka internet la ne ka webcasting kat kum ka jingpen tip na ka liang jongki bor paniat election ka jilla lengba u chief electoral officer uba Frederick Roy Kharkangor la ong ba ka jinglei thep vote jongki pai ba nong shang shnong ka megalaya kalakot hadu prapusau point prapun rio na shispa claim da khen lang ya ki postal ballot lane ki postal votes shushu kani ga jingkhen kalong tang na ka banta ki sanpho kondaitli ki assembly constituency namar ba ya ka William Nagar constituency kabadon khatsantali ki polling station ondang penbna ya ka sngi tap vote kontopru ya ka polling station ha kendong tuber ka ba on hab ban late tap vote biang ha ka baya dei bar ka jingbon ki nong tap vote ka mukayao kalakot hadu khandai phulai point arfuai nak shispa kat ba ka beduna pat ki nang tap vote ka dei ka North Shillong ka badon tang hnripho point new khandai nak shispa shusho la ong ba ka jing tap vote ha West Giant Hills kalalong prapo nak shispa ha East Giant Hills prapuai nak shispa ha Ribhoi nyopuai nak shispa ha East Khasi Hills nyopo nak shispa ha West Khasi Hills nyopuai nak shispa ha Southwest Khasi Hills nyopuai nak shispa ha North Garo Hills prapo nak shispa East Garo Hills nyopusan nak shispa West Garo Hills prapuai nak shispa ha Southwest Garo Hills prapusan nak shispa but ha South Garo Hills prapuai nak shispa katba haki civil subdivision jongga mairang kalakot khandai pho nak shispa ha sora propo nak shispa ha amlarem nyupusan nak shispa but ha dadengre nyupusan nak shispa laban kedo bahaka samoy assembly election kabala dep jong sinam arjar khatlai ka jingthep vote kalakot hadu prapun rio point prapra nak shispa
we have a final turnout of 84.86% 84.86%. This is, of course, without postal ballots and without postal votes, because postal votes will be known on the day of counting, and also this is without William Nagar. So this is the voter turnout with regard to 59 assembly constituencies and 3,025 polling stations, because under William Nagar there are 58 polling stations. So this is a voter turnout minus 1 AC, minus 58 polling stations, and also minus the postal votes. So the total turnout is 84.86%, and in 2013 the turnout was 86.82%. 86.82% in 2013. So, oh yes, and this also is minus 1 PS, which may go to repoll. 1 PS Kingdom to Bear in Giant Hills, in all possibility, will be going for repoll. So it's 3,024 polling stations. 3,024 polling stations. So that is the picture. The highest turnout was recorded at Mukayao in West Giant Hills district at 93.21%. North Shillong is the lowest with 60.79. I repeat, North Shillong under East Khasi Hills district 60.79, and male number of male voters in the state total is 83.4%, 83.40%, and female is 86.30%. So female voting percentage is higher than the male voting percentage, and it's in keeping with the fact that the female voters were much more than the male voters even in the enrollment, and also being a gender sensitive state, I think it reflects that. Also with the pink polling booths we had, and the all women polling stations, which were 61 in number. So I think it reflects. That voter turnout also is quite reflective there. In all probability, Kingdom to Bear polling station and the Raliam constituency in West Giant Hills will in all probability go to for a repoll because of the human error that was that took place yesterday, which resulted in a mix-up of the machines. So we have recommended, based on the returning officer's report and the DEO's report, the district election officer's report, we have recommended for a repoll. So that commission will, I'm sure, take cognizance of that, and a repoll may be announced perhaps by this evening, and that repoll may take place tomorrow itself, because we don't have much time. Counting is on Saturday, so that repoll will perhaps take place tomorrow. So in brief, we would like to say that the turnout was quite robust and quite healthy, and we are hopeful that with the holding of the assembly elections in Williamnagar, which has traditionally recorded high voting, and also this time, since there will be sympathy vote, so there may be quite high voting turnout in Williamnagar as well. And of course, postal ballots is also there, they will count. So I think with Williamnagar and postal ballot, our percentage will go up more than 84.86. So we may perhaps equal the last assembly elections turnout, or we may do slightly better. So that remains to be seen. But judging from the trend that Williamnagar traditionally had voted very high, and also sympathy factor is there, so we think we are optimistic that voting percentage will be higher.